Welcome to Fanatics Gym. I'm Jake, and today's exercise is the shoulder press. The shoulder press. Some say it's the forgotten exercise. I believe that happened in 2010. Although, I don't know how forgotten it is because I see it all the time. And I particularly like military press when you go behind the neck. But anyways, let's put some weight on the bar because there's nothing on there right now. Let's get at it. Now, of course, throughout history, people had weightlifting competitions in their backyard and invite their buddies over, for a couple beers, got a little weird, and just started pressing some weight. And it wasn't until that turn of the century when it went into London where they actually had a regulated and certified competition with rules and things like that. And there was two styles that were brought in. The first one was Continental. So what Continental is, I know you can't see my feet, but they would basically go into like almost like they were doing a deadlift, and they'd pick the bar up, slowly rise it, boom, 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 all the way to their chest, come here, and they'd push up, almost like a push press, so because you were allowed to use your knees and things like that. Kinda, not really. Again, there wasn't really a bunch of rules. Military, however, you were stand straight erect like this, and you started at this position as opposed to coming all the way up. You started here, boom. And everything was very in a uniform manner. So anyways, went to the Olympics. It's in the Olympics for a couple of years, and I think in the 70s, the late 70s, I think it was like 1979 or 78, where it just got scrapped because people were cheating, and it was kind of hard to put rules on it. There was people, and actually we're gonna try this today. There was, of course, the people that did this one, they do the push press. There was people that were, and you could probably Google this, were like this, and just pressing like that. Oh, God. But that's what happened. So, I do the push press, excuse me, now I'm on push press. I do the shoulder press behind my head because I like doing that. And another one is because I always hit myself in the face whenever I do it like this. So numerous times I'd come up and I'd go boom, and I'm done, cooked. So what I usually do is I come behind my neck. I know my hat's there, and I just press like that, bam. So that's what we're gonna do today. And there's a little different styles, and we're gonna just see what's up and lift some weights. All right, so the first one we're gonna do is I'm gonna take my hat off so it doesn't fall. So what I like to do is I put my my ring fingers on the rings, and this one we're just gonna go like this, bam. Oh, I'm so scared. Bah. And then if I was going to do it behind my head, like I usually do, same thing, and just like a squat, I eyeball the treads right there, I come down, boom, and go like this. Oh, I almost fell. Behind the neck. And that's a little bit about shoulder press. Now, I'm gonna try to do it like they did it in those competitions where you go like super far back like that. So let's see how that works out. All right, so here we are. Let's just do it. All right, so. Oh, God. Didn't like that. Let's do Continental. Oh, that's like upright row. Get big. Wrap it out. Now, if it sounded like I was gurgling something fierce, because I was really into it. Oh man, we're flying off the rails in this episode. Anyways, so before it gets a little bit more crazy,